What if I told you 5 Kenyan law schools are operating right now with expired licenses? This is Kenya News Update today. Coming up, you'll discover which universities are affected, why this puts thousands of students at risk, and the shocking reason the renewals are stuck. Meet the Council of Legal Education, the body that licenses every law program in Kenya. On Tuesday, they dropped a bombshell. 5 institutions are not fully compliant. Their names: Chuka University, University of Nairobi's Parklands campus, Moi University, African Nazarene University, and Umma University. But here's the twist: some paid their fees. They started the process. So why are they still in legal limbo? The answer will make you question the entire system. For students at Chuka University, the clock is ticking. Their Faculty of Law's license expired on December 10, 2025. The university paid. But according to the CLE, they didn't submit all the documents. The application is incomplete. It's just sitting there, under review. Meanwhile, classes continue. Exams are scheduled. Futures are being planned on a foundation that might not exist. And Chuka isn't alone. The University of Nairobi's prestigious School of Law license expired the same day. They applied 4 days later and now await an audit. Moi University School of Law is also subject to inspection. But here's the part that will blow your mind. Umma University's license expired way back on September 24, 2025. They applied 6 days before it lapsed. Their audit is scheduled for January 20. That's a gap of nearly 4 months where they operated in a gray zone. African Nazarene University filed in November and is also pending. 5 schools, hundreds, maybe thousands of students, all caught in a bureaucratic standoff. CLE CEO Professor Busalile Mwi Mali issued a stark warning. He emphasized compliance under the Legal Education Act. His words are a chilling reality check for every student in those lecture halls. Institutions operating without valid CLE licenses risk having their programs declared unrecognized. That single word, unrecognized, could jeopardize the professional prospects of every enrolled student. Imagine studying for years, passing your exams, only to be told your degree isn't valid for the bar. Your dream of becoming an advocate shattered, not by your grades, but by paperwork. But here's what nobody's talking about: the contrast. While these 5 schools are in trouble, several others are fully compliant. Strathmore Law School, Mount Kenya University, Catholic University of Eastern Africa, Jomo Kenyatta University, Mazino University, and others. They did the work. They submitted everything. Their students can breathe easy. This creates a 2-tier system within Kenya's legal education. A system where your future depends not just on which university you choose, but on how well its administrators file forms. The implications are massive. If a program is declared unrecognized, what happens to those students? Do they get refunds? Do they transfer? Or are they simply left with debt and a useless certificate? The controversy is clear. Some will say the CLE is just doing its job, enforcing standards to protect the legal profession. Others will say the process is too slow, too rigid, and it's the students who ultimately pay the price. But the biggest unanswered question remains: why can't these universities, some of them giants in education, get their documentation in order? Is it negligence, complexity, or a flaw in the system itself? We started with a shocking fact: 5 law schools operating on expired licenses. Now you know the stakes. The careers of future lawyers, magistrates, and judges hang in the balance over submitted forms and pending audits. Do you think the CLE is right to shut down programs, or should students be protected while paperwork is sorted? Drop your take in the comments. Subscribe to Kenya News Update today for more breaking news that affects your future.